Same t-shirt, same pant. No bath for 2 days, but feeling fresh.
Very dirty, yeah, Maggie? And
Cooking is a very hard task here. We need good firewood. 2 minutes noodles we are preparing for 2 hours. What the fuck? It's like he's blowing and this bloody thing is not boiling. Hopefully we'll have it for lunch. Alright, the adventure begins now. We are going on a small hike. Here with me, Crazy Boy. Okay, the biggest challenge here is while coming back we have to drag some firewoods for night, and it's getting dark very fast here, so we have to head back home as quickly as possible. This place is so beautiful. I'm top of a rock, and I can see the entire Oti Kunnur range from here. I can see the dolphin nose, and I can see the opposite village. After 2 hours, we climbed up the hill. It's so beautiful. Yeah, we reached the top village, and the place you see behind me is the place called Kakakundu, right? Yeah, and this is the last village, Irula Village, in this mountain range. And as you say, Irulas are there for many centuries. They speak Irulas and they are the scheduled caste tribe in this mountain. It's very, very interesting to know about them, and it's also impressive how they are adapting to this kind of nature and dense forest. Okay, now we are trying to get inside the rocky area. Wow.
What is that?
The heart of the jungle, the down below. 8 acres will come by the tail. The tail, right? The tail will come.
The
8 acres.
down
The down tail. You can map me this is the.
That's the last village and the highest cliff on this mountain. It's kind of steep. It's kind of dangerous, but yeah, he managed to pull it off here. Finally to the village. So we are coming back to our house, but how sweet it is. We have Andrew here, brought us food very far away from the hills. But that's so sweet of you, Andrew. Thank you so much. I have a partner. This cute fellow is following me everywhere. Hello. This is the scene. Hiking is done. I'm happy that I'm able to climb up the hill, and I'm going down to the broken house. Yeah. The thing is, we have very less stock of wood, so we have to collect wood, and I think by the time we reach, it'll take an hour's time. But the range is so beautiful. It's literally dark, and now you can see I have a torch in my hand, and the boys are going there. I don't know, you can see in the screen, but you see the place. This is the place. It took almost 1 hour for me to reach, and it's very, very dark. See, that's how dark it is. And the boys left me and went, and I'm going alone. I have to go catch them up. So we came on top of a cliff and we set up campfire. Now what we have is foil with potatoes inside. We wrap the potatoes inside with chili powder and salt, right?
Yeah.
And then we put it in. And we have a dinner in this cooker. We are literally in the wild. You can't see anything. The only source of light is this campfire and mobile lights. Open that? Are you gonna open it?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. The potato is cooked. Oh, bloody gosh. But then I think it looks yummy.
Oh my god.
Wow. Oh, hey. Hey, your plate. I'll put the plate.
Chris boy?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. I thought he left me and went. We are here again for stargazing. It's a pitch dark, beautiful place here. We're trying to frame and take some beautiful star moments. But guys, check out. I think you can't see anything. It's very dark place.